Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix locals router is having trouble starting. This is for the local program by Flywheel for running WordPress sites and stuff like that. So I have my WordPress theme that I'm developing here and I can't start this. One of the reasons that this can happen is because Windows 10 is using the same port that this program wants to use. That's what I found out by researching the issue. And there's a service in Windows 10, a program that runs automatically that uses the same port that this uses sometimes. So I'm going to show you how you can stop that service. So you go down to your search bar and you type computer management right here. And you get this. You go into services and applications, services again. And you go all the way to the bottom and you find here, let me expand this. You find World Wide Web Publishing Service, and right now this service is running on my computer, so it gives me the option to stop it. And honestly, I don't even know what this program does, but my computer doesn't change at all when I stop it, so I guess it's fine that I'm stopping it. But now I can click retry, and let's stop and start. And now the problem is solved. So I don't know if that will always fix the problem, but it has always fixed it for me.